Hello my friends, welcome back to Vince's class, and I'm here to take you through another sound. And today we have sound qu, qu, qu. Now sound qu comes from letter Q. Yes, and we write sound qu with letter U. Yes. Now let's look at the blends. Qua, quay, qui, quai, quo, and quo. Yes. Now let's go to word formation. The first one is quill, quill, a quill feather. Yes, quill feather. Then the next one, Quran, 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 the Quran. Do you know the Quran, the holy book for Muslims? Then the next one is qui, qui, a queen. Yes, a queen. And the last one is mosque, and the last sound is silent. So we have mosque, a mosque. Yes, a mosque. Now let's go to the sentences. The first one says, I can read the Quran. Can you read the Quran if you're Muslim? I can read the Quran. And then the next one, my mother is a queen. My mother is a queen. And the last one is, that is a mosque. That is a mosque. Yes. And that's it for today, my dear friends. Remember to practice these sounds so that you become good at them. So we say bye-bye.